Hello everyone, I Akshita Sharma welcome you all back to the maths class. Children, we are studying here chapter number 10, currency. Now this is the last part of this chapter and we are going to complete today exercise number 10.2, question number 3 to 4, because earlier in the class we have completed 10.2 exercise question number 1 and 2. We have already understood and practiced how to prepare the bill. So these are the last two questions of exercise 10.2 where we have to check if the bill prepared is correct or not. We will check the calculations, we will check all the particulars, we will check all the details given in the bill and we will rewrite the bill. Okay, so let us see the question number 3 here. So question 3 is bill of purchased item by Manu from Mamta General Store, Mahavir Nagar is given below. Check the bill and rewrite after corrections. Okay, so first let us check the bill here. Here we have the bill given to us. First it's written bill and cash memo. First it's written about bill number, date, name of the stores purchased from, so it is completely correct. Now here name and address, you know that here we have to write down name and address of the person who has purchased the items, that means for the customer. So it's not written here, we will write down in the next one. Here in serial number we will write down the total items purchased. So here we have candle, soap, sugar and gram flour. Next we have the quantity, कितनी quantity purchase करी गई है, 3 packets, 5 packets, 4 kg and 2 kg. Next is the rate. So rate is given for one quantity. For example 3 packet यहाँ total quantity purchased है, तो यहाँ जो rate होती है ये 1 packet की होती है. So 1 packet cost is 20 rupees 25 पैसे. अब हमें अमाउंट किस तरह से मिलता है, इन्हें मल्टीप्लाई करके मिलता है. तो हम नेक्स्ट कॉलम में यहाँ पर लिखेंगे और उसके बाद चेक करेंगे कि ये कैलकुलेशन ठीक है या नहीं है. सेम वे 5 पैकेट्स हैं, 40 रुपीज़ 15 पैसा पे मल्टीप्लाई करने पर हमें ये मिलता है क्या, नो इट्स नॉट करेक्ट, सो वी विल डू द करेक्शन. सेम वे 4 kg को 33 पे मल्टीप्लाई करके हम ये अमाउंट चेक करेंगे. सेम वे 2 kg को 55 रुपीज़ 50 पैसा को मल्टीप्लाई करके हमें ये मिलता है या नहीं, हम चेक करेंगे. इसके बाद आपको पता है ये जो अमाउंट गिवन होता है ये होता है टोटल अमाउंट. मीन्स अगर यहाँ 4 आइटम हैं तो इन चारों को हमें ऐड करके चेक करना होगा और ये जो टोटल अमाउंट होता है इसे हम वर्ड्स में भी लिखते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो वी हैव दिस ब्लैंक फॉर्मेट हियर. वी विल राइट डाउन ऑल द डिटेल्स एंड देन वी विल चेक द करेक्शंस. वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द टॉप. बिल नंबर, डेट एंड नेम ऑफ द स्टोर्स परचेज्ड फ्रॉम. देखिए यहाँ पर बिल नंबर दिया हुआ है 568, डेट है 25/10/15. So let us write down here 568 is the bill number. Now date we have to write down 25/10/15. Now here we have to write down the name of the store from where the purchase is done. So name of the store is Mamta General Store, Mahavir Nagar, Karoli. We will write down here Mamta General Store. In short we are writing. Address is written Mahavir Nagar, Karoli. See children, next we have to write down the name and address of the customer. So here it was not written. Let us check here in the question it is given or not. बिल ऑफ परचेज आइटम बाय मनु. देखो किसने परचेज किया है, यहाँ मनु ने. सो दिस इज द नेम ऑफ द कस्टमर, हमें यहाँ लिखना होगा. सो इट वॉज नॉट रिटन देयर. दिस इज द फर्स्ट मिस्टेक वी हैव करेक्टेड. नाउ वी विल राइट डाउन द सीरियल नंबर, नेम ऑफ द आइटम्स. So total serial number is 4. Name of the item are candle, soap, sugar and gram flour. Let us write down 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will write down the name of the item. Candle, soap, sugar and gram flour. Candle, soap, sugar and gram flour. Now we have to write down the quantity. कितनी quantity purchase की गई है and the rate. 3 packet at the rate of 20 rupees 25 पैसा. 3 packets at the rate of 20 rupees and 25 paisa. We can write down in this way. Now we will write down 5 packets for soap at the rate of 40 rupees and 15 paisa. Let us write down here 5 packets at the rate of 40 rupees and let us check again, this was 15 paisa. Now we have to write down for sugar. Sugar quantity is 4 kg at the rate of 33 rupees. This is 4 kg at the rate of 33 rupees. Paisa details is not given. Now we have to write down for gram flour. 2 kg at the rate of 55 rupees and 50 paisa. So children, here we have filled all the details. Now we will check the calculation. You know that how do we get the amount column? We have to multiply here. 3 पैकेट्स खरीदे गए हैं, एक पैकेट की कॉस्ट गिवन है, हम यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करके चेक करेंगे. सो लेट अस चेक द कैलकुलेशन हियर. 20 रुपीज़ 25 पैसा को हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है यहाँ पर 3 से. देखिए सबसे पहले हम कैलकुलेशन करेंगे पैसा के लिए. सो 3 5 इज 15, 1 हियर, 3 2 6 प्लस 1 इज 7, 3 0 इज 0, 3 2 इज 6. सो द आंसर इज 60 रुपीज 75 paisa. This we have done. Now let us calculate for 5 packets of soap at the rate of 40 rupees and 15 paisa. We have to multiply here by 5. 5 से multiply करके हम check करते हैं. देखिए 5 5 are 25, 2 कहाँ चल जाएगा, नेक्स्ट हाउस में कैरी. सो 5 हियर, 2 एज अ कैरी, 5 1 are 5 plus 2 is 7. Calculation for paisa is done. Now next 5 zeros are 0 only, 5 fours are is 20. So the answer is 200 rupees 75 paisa. Now children, let's do the calculation for sugar. At the rate of 33 rupees he has bought 4 kgs. हम इसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे यहाँ पर 4 से. 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12 again plus 1 as carry. We will get here 132 rupees. Paisa is not given. We can write down 0 for the better calculation. Now we have to multiply 55 rupees 50 paisa. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है हमें यहाँ 2 से. सो चिल्ड्रन हियर 2 zeros is 0, 2 5s is 10. अब देखिए 0 यहीं रहेगा, पैसा की कैलकुलेशन हो गई है, 1 चल जाएगा एज अ कैरी. नाउ 2 5s 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 again as a carry, 2 5s 10 again plus 1 as carry. Here we will get 111 rupees and 0 paisa. So here particular calculation we have already done. Now we will do the totaling. We have to check for first paisa. 5 plus 5 is 10, then 0 0. Here we have written 0 and here we have written 1. Now let's calculate further. 7 plus 7 is 14, then 0 0. So 14 plus 1 is children 15. 1 again in the next column. 0 0. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now next column 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Here we have written. Now 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So children, this is our final answer. Let us check what were the correction. First we have written the name of the customer. Now we will check candle की calculation ठीक थी क्या. यहाँ आ रही है 60 rupees 75 paisa. For us also it is correct. Now let's check for soap. Soap की यहाँ आ रही है 210 rupees 75 paisa. But we have checked 200.75 was correct, right? तो वहाँ पर गलत थी, ये हमने करेक्ट कर दी है. इसके बाद हम चेक कर सकते हैं 132 rupees ठीक थी, 111 rupees was also correct. Now we have done the calculation for the total. We will write down here in words. यहाँ आ रहा है 504 rupees 504 rupees and 50 paisa. So children, here our bill is completed and other details of the terms and conditions are written. E and OE, that is error and omissions accepted. Goods once sold will not be taken back or exchanged. Signature is for the store here. Now let's solve the next question. This is the last question of this exercise, question number 4. Check the following bill and rewrite after correction. So this is the same kind of question that we have just now solved it. So this is the bill with us. On the top it is written bill and cash memo. Bill number is given, date is given, it's correct. Manoj provision canvas, this is also given. Then the name of the customer, name and address, Srimati Meera, this is also correct. Now let us check the details of the products here. Serial number 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we have name of the items, washing powder, namkeen, salt and oil. Next we have quantity, it's given 2 kg, 3 kg, 5 kg and 2 liters respectively. Then we have rates per item of the product, 77 rupees 25 paisa for washing powder, 140 rupees for namkeen, 25 rupees 20 paisa for salt and at last 75 rupees 40 paisa for oil. Now you know that this amount is calculated by multiplying and here there are many mistakes. So we will correct it in the next format. Here we have the amount, this is the total. But here in words it is not given, so we have to check it. So first let us start from the top to the bottom. सबसे पहले हमें लिखना होगा bill number and date. So bill number is 547. We have written here. Now we have to write down date. Date is 22/10/15. We have written here. Now children, you know that here we have to write down the name of the store. Let us check. Manoj Provision Store, Canvas. Manoj Provision we have written and the address is Canvas. Now let us see, the name of the customer is Srimati Meera. We have to write down here. Now we will fill the items. Here we will first check for the serial number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means total 4 items are purchased. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will fill the name of the items purchased. It is washing powder, namkeen, salt and oil. So here we are writing washing powder. Then we have namkeen, salt and oil. Children, now we will fill the rates and the quantity purchased. Then we will check the calculation. This is 2 kg, 3 kg, 5 and 2. This is in kg, this is also in kg. Here also we have got in kg, but oil is in liter because it is liquid. Now we will fill the rates of all the items purchased. Here see, rate for washing powder is 77 rupees 25 paisa. Now for namkeen is 140 rupees. Next for salt is 25 rupees 20 paisa. So we are writing in decimal, it is the same form. Children, all this rate is given in rupees, so we are writing rupees here. At last we have for oil, that is 75 rupees 40 paisa. So children, you know how do we calculate the amount? जितनी quantity purchase है उसे जब हम rate से multiply करते हैं हमें मिलता है हमारा amount. So let us check by one. सबसे पहले हमें multiply करना है 77 rupees 25 पैसा को कितने से? 2 से. We will multiply by 2. Let's start here from the paisa column. 2 5s is 10, 1 here. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. We are putting the decimal. Next we will calculate for rupees. 2 7s are 14, 1 here again. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 154.50. Let us write down here, this is the amount for washing powder. Now we have to check for namkeen. देखिए namkeen purchase है 3 kg at the rate of 140. तो 140 को हम यहाँ multiply करेंगे 3 से. Let's start here. 3 zeros is 0 only. 3 4s is 12. 1 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 we will add. We will get 4 here. So the answer is 420 rupees. We have written here For paisa you can put 0. Now we will calculate for salt at the rate of 25 rupees 20 paisa. She has purchased here 5 kg. So we have to multiply by 5. देखिए यहाँ किस तरह से करेंगे, पैसे से हम कैलकुलेट करना चालू करेंगे. 5 zeros are 0, 5 2s are 10. So remember the rule here, 1 will go in the next column. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 we will add as carry, we will get here 2. So next we will get 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12. So this is our answer, 126 rupees and 0 paisa. We are writing down here. Now at last we will calculate for 2 liters of oil purchased at 75 rupees 40 paisa. So 75 rupees 40 पैसा है, हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे यहाँ 2 से. So let's start from the last 2 zeros are 0, 2 4s are is 8. Now we will put a decimal for the calculation of rupees further. 2 5s are 10 again, 1 as carry, 2 7s are is 14, 14 plus 1 is children 15. So this is our answer, 150 rupees 80 paisa. We will write down in the amount column. Now at last we have to do the calculation for the total amount paid by the customer. We will start checking from the last. We will check the amount from the paisa column. देखिए यहाँ 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0 only. Then we have 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8. So 5 plus 8 is children 13. We will write down here. 3 here, 1 goes in the next column. 4 plus 0 plus 6, again 0. So this is 10, 10 plus 1 we will add, we will get here 11. 1 goes in the next house, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 plus 5 is children 14. But here we will add 1 carry, so we will get here 15. 1 again as a carry, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is the total amount paid by Srimati Meera ji. So this is rupees 851.30 paisa. Now we have to write down this in words also. So this is 851 rupees. Then we have to write down for 30 paisa. So children, here we have completed the bill making, right? This we have done the 4th question of exercise 10.2. So with this here we have completed chapter number 10, currency. Children, we have understood here Indian currency is calculated in rupees and paisa. First we have done number of calculation in mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For both type of questions like direct questions and the word problems, we have practiced their numbers given to us in Indian numbers. Then we have understood how to prepare the bill. Now children, it depends upon your practice. The perfection will come according to the practice. Keep on practicing, keep on learning. I will see you on in the next class where we will start our new chapter, that is chapter number 11. Thank you everyone.